Try not to peek inside too much. Woo! Woo! Okay, I see you. I see you. Yo! What is up? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel, guys. So I've got a really super duper exciting video for you guys today. So today, if you haven't read the actual title of the actual video, I am doing an unboxing for a mystery box. Now, I'll tell you guys a little bit of a story about what happened here. So basically, this mystery box that I wanted to get, I've been wanting for a really long time already, ever since I was in Japan. And I was worried that when it first released that I would miss out on it and I would never be able to get another one. So I basically just bought whichever one was left when I actually found out that they dropped. Now, the one that I actually purchased came from KICKSTW. I will link them down below. And if you guys didn't know that they do, like they've done a couple of mystery box releases already, and I ordered mine a while ago, but I actually just didn't get it until now. I was moving house and I already paid for it, but I kind of just wanted to get it when I was actually ready and settled into the new house. So now we're here. This is the one that I got. I got this one. Oh, it's so big I don't even fit in the actual Oh, I'm gonna adjust the screen. Oh my gosh, I still don't fit. It's such a big box, man. So this is the box that I got. This is the $1,490 one, or the $1,500 one if you will. And basically you can see on the box, it's got all the different kind of really big brands on it. And I'm really actually excited to open this box. The reason why I actually got this box is because I actually did want to try and do an unboxing for you guys. There was actually a lot of like reviews for this kind of stuff in the States. A lot of sneaker kind of YouTubers were doing this, and I was kind of, you know, sad that we weren't really doing it here. And the first time I actually saw them drop, yeah, I definitely had to get one from KIXPLORE. And if I was gonna review one, I didn't want to do like a small one. I wanted to do like one that was worthwhile. So that's why I got one that was worth a little bit more than the cheaper ones, like the $95 ones, or sorry, $100 ones. And up higher. Like, there's nothing wrong with them, of course, but I just wanted to go a little bit extra so that I can actually see how much value I get, that you guys get more of an experience. There was actually a chance that I was gonna go for the $2,000 one and $4,000 one, but you know, your boy's on a budget, of course, so I had to kind of find a middle ground because I know my wife wouldn't want me to do that. One thing that I usually do with things like this, like unboxings, what I tend to do is kind of lower my expectations. Well, one reason for that is because if you have really high expectations and then you don't get what you want, you get a really bad feeling afterwards. So I like to really lower my standards in terms of what I really want in this box, and that way the end result will always be better than I expected. Because in the end, like, I bought a box and I got stuff in it, and before I didn't have a box and no stuff, now I do have stuff. So that's always kind of the positive way of actually thinking about it. You know, I want to thank the guys at KIXPLORE for holding onto this package for me. Thank you guys so much. It's finally happening, guys. Thank you so much, Steven. Thank you. Let's just get into this unboxing. Alrighty. Yeah, always cut away from you guys. Anyway. Let's get into this unboxing, yo! I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I actually I don't really want to peek inside, so I'm actually surprised every time I take something out. Here we go, opening the box now. Okay, I see you. I see you. Okay, so the first thing that I can see comes up. I can see a very popular Bape design. Oh my gosh, I did do it upside down. Because I could see the KIXPLORE bags and they're upside down. I could see the My bad. Oh, right there. Bathing Ape. I love Bathing Ape, guys. I just came from Japan. Oh man, Bathing Ape is like I had a new found appreciation for it. Okay, let's have a look. Hey. Oh, it is. Oh no, is it a quilt? Like a quilt. Oh. This is what Hypebeasts use to get themselves warm, bro. Yo, what is up? It's actually really hot in Australia right now, so I'm gonna take this off. This is cool. So it's like a fleece blanket, I guess you could say. If you want something to keep you warm, get a Bape fleece blanket like this. I'm gonna leave it over here. Boom! Cool bag. Now I'm gonna try to turn these over without letting all their contents fall out. As you can see, they're all in KICKSTW bags like this. All right. What is this? What is this? This is a Babe hoodie. Let us have a look. Let us have a look. Oh, it's shorts, bro. Bro, shorts. Look at that. Oh, this is sick. I've always wanted Babe shorts like this. Damn. I don't know how I feel about them because people look at your crotch a lot. Cool, man. That's cool. When I get stuff, I like to keep things neat. So I'll leave that over here. So actually, I don't know how much that one would cost. Those are a couple of $100 if I'm not mistaken. Oh, is this the first shoe? Yeah, Revenge. I'm guessing these are Vans. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Some Vans. Some Vans. Some damn Daniels. So what do we got here? We got the Revenge Storms, bruh. Revenge Storms. Oh man, I need different. I need another light. Anyway, so this is what I got. I gotta admit, I don't wear a lot of Vans. I wanted to try and challenge myself to just not always just stay with the normal black and safe stuff. So in all my Instagram photos and all my other videos, I want to try different things. So, you know, finding stuff like this, stuff that I don't normally get, is what I'm really looking for. Bam! 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 So the Revenge Storms. So there's 3 bags in here, guys. So that was the first one. That's pretty cool. Okay, what's next? Oh, Supreme newspaper! Actually, was gonna buy this. So this is sick. How many is in this? Oh, it's just the one. Like, I've always wanted to take a photo with this, so you know, this is gonna be cool. I wonder what they actually. Oh, so it's like a real one. What's the date on it? Monday, August 13th, 2018. Wow. So just because it says Supreme at the front, this makes it a hype beast newspaper. Wow. Okay, what is next? Gotta get whatever. It's t-shirts. Supreme! What is this? It is the Scarface, I think? Yeah, it's a Scarface one. Dope! So I wonder if they got my sizing right. Yeah, so I'm in extra large because your boy's pretty big now. Like, I'm married, I'm gaining weight. I wonder how it looks. Yeah, oh, looks alright. Alright, next one. Next item. It is a... What is this? Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a V-Loan. V-Loan bag. It's Friends. That's pretty cool. A tote bag. I'm not really much of a tote bag guy. That's why I got my Supreme backpack, which I did get from KICKSTW. And you know, that's what I usually do because I can put a lot of stuff in there. I'm pretty sure I can use this for something. I don't know, using for the groceries or whatever. Imagine rocking up with to like Safeway or Coles with this, man. Like, would you like a bag, sir? I'm like, no. No, I don't. I got my V-Loan bag. Let's go to the next one. Yo, yo, yo. Okay, it's a big one. Oh, is this a hoodie? Please be a hoodie. Oh, okay, I got another. I think this is another V-Loan one. This is another V-Loan. Oh, it's boxy. This is boxy, bro. This is Friends. You want to be my friend? So this is another one. I'm pretty sure this is a V-Loan. Yeah, it is. As you can see on the back, it's got the V-Loan logo right there. I don't know how I feel about V-Loan because the dude's like, you know, the merch was really, really popular for it. And then he went and did what he did and yeah. I know Kais Omar, if you guys don't know who he is, he's a really big sneaker YouTuber out in America. His favorite color is orange. And ever since I don't know, for some reason, ever since he said, I love the color orange, orange has got somehow like been kind of implanted in my brain, and now I'm starting to like orange. So now that I see the color orange, like, oh man, like I wonder if I could really pull it off kind of thing. Gotta keep this all neatly packed. That's the way I like it, because I know if I don't, oh my gosh. This is me, you know, trying to be a good husband and trying to keep everything clean and tidy. So we're up to the last and final bag. Now I can see some camera print. Wait, first of all, alright, so I got a Supreme bouncy ball. This is pretty cool. It makes really nice photos. And I also got, whoa, the handcuffs, the keychain, the Supreme handcuff keychain. You know, so if you ever like want to handcuff a squirrel or something. Okay, I can see oh no, what's this first? Hey, KICKSTW shoelaces. I don't know if you guys can see. KICKSTW laces that they provide. I think these are 3M ones, if I'm not mistaken. Well, I think these are Yeezy ones because they're round ropes and stuff. So yeah, sick. It's always really good to have extra laces. Yeah. Oh, whoa, what's this? Hey, Supreme stickers. Man, I've been collecting these now, man. Like I got heaps of these now, like, oh not heaps, I got like 5 or something. I never know when you're gonna use these because it's like around $5 or more each, and you just never know where to stick it, because you want to stick it somewhere really meaningful where you're gonna look at it, and because it's like every time you look at it, man, that was like $5 or something, man. Like, oh, so I like to stick these on my laptops or my luggages, like my luggage bags and stuff. I'll put this over here, and I think this is the final item. Whoa, bro! Don't tell me. Is this the tea set? It's the tea set, guys. Yo, check it out. This feels amazing. I know it's just a box, but vape, like you guys know, I've got a new appreciation for vape and stuff. So, bro, it is, bruh. Oh, I see you right there. Okay, so you got that little teapot there. The craftsmanship on this box is bloody amazing, mate. But that's what it looks like inside, guys. So you got the little teapot over here, and you got the little kind of teacups over here. They're all vape. Sick, man. I don't know, it just feels so quality in here. Oh, this is dope. Yeah, I'll probably talk about the total now, and just how much it'll cost. So this is probably how much it costs altogether. And wait a minute, there's something here. What are these? Oh, these are Chinese New Year little things. Oh, does it have money? Because I know these, I don't know if you guys know, see these? These are like little Chinese New Year envelopes. Wait, let's look at one. What's this? It says 5% off, use code free sneaker keychain for your next. Oh, what? Oh, that's dope. All right, guys, I just realized, yeah, Steven did mention this. He was going to include something in his actual, you know, in the actual mystery box, so that I can give away to you guys. You guys can see that? Yeah, so I think I could give these away to you guys. 5%. 5% of something is still 5% better than nothing, you know, so that's pretty cool. So I guess I could give these away to you guys. So I had a look at all of them, and basically there's like, I think there was like 5% discount codes for your next purchase. There's a 10% one, and there's a free V-Loan bag for your next purchase. So that's pretty dope. Thank you, KICKSTW. Pay attention to my Instagram, guys. It'll probably be something related to subbing to this channel, my KIXPLORE channel, following me on my Instagram, and following Instagram for KICKSTW. So guys, just pay attention to my Instagram, and you can find the competition details there. So that is basically my review for the mystery box coming from KICKSTW. I have to admit, these are pretty cool items. Some of them I could probably, you know, are a little bit different to what I would normally buy, I have to admit, yes. But these are still cool. That's what I actually wanted. So I can actually kind of evolve my style, evolve my kind of, my own personal taste kind of thing, and to actually explore different avenues, different brands and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm really happy with my actual purchase. If you guys are ever thinking about getting one of those mystery boxes, definitely give them a go, because you guys could probably actually get something even better than this. It's you know, it's all, that's why it's called a mystery, so that you actually get to you know, have that little bit of kind of nervousness in before you actually buy the stuff. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed this. Don't forget to check out KICKSTW, their Instagram and all their socials, because they do have a lot of deals on their actual Instagram. And check out their store in Oakley, and they have a store in the city. So once again, guys, thanks once again for watching this video. I hope you do enjoy it. I hope you do enjoy my actual content. If you do, please subscribe and leave a big thumbs up for this video. And please, in the actual comments below, you know, let me know what you actually think about this actual video. Do you want me to do more of these kind of videos? Let me know, please. Anyways, guys, thanks for once again watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.